My question stems from the previous question, which was on the election date. But when you look at the election process, what measures would you as a caretaker government be taking to avoid all the unconstitutional or any external undemocratic factors intervening into the electoral process, which we have been observing throughout the history of Pakistan? And from that, I would use the example of the recent elections which just happened in Karachi, where PTI and Jamaat Islámi collectively, they won a majority. But I don't know what happened. सारे लोग मई की मजम्मत करते हैं, लेकिन पीटीआई वाले सारे गायब हो गए मेयर चूज़ करने से पहले, और करते कराते इवेंचुअली आई थिंक पीपी का ही चेयर बना था, पीपी का एक चेयरमैन मेयर इलेक्ट हुआ था. आई सी दिस हैपनिंग ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल एज वेल, एंड या यू एज अ caretaker government, I think, can have an impact on regulating the election commissioner. So over to you.
Once we are done with the clapping part, I'll start.